Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me from AuStar Gold today is CEO Tom de Vries. Tom, welcome back.
Thanks, Rachel.
Tom, you've just announced acquisition of 100% of the Rose of Denmark gold mine. What can you tell us about this?
Well, previously the Rose of Denmark mine was 49% owned and managed by AuStar Gold, and that required joint venture processes and approvals, really slowing decisions down, as well as caused us additional costs and complications for administration. We're now unfettered from that joint venture and now have the ability to manage the development of Rose of Denmark according to our strategic priorities. And in addition, we keep all the upside from our ongoing development work in this mine. And you'd be aware that we've had consistent gold hits in the diamond drilling, and we also have a structure that leads to mechanised mining, meaning that the Rose of Denmark is a prime testing target.
What can you tell me about the drill program?
We're keen to keep the mill going as well, Rachel, and the Rose of Denmark ore is prime material for that. If we're mining from Rose of Denmark, this allows us to understand the relationship between the drilled assays from the diamond drilling, the face assays, and the final gold produced out of the plant, giving a certain drilled grade. So we'll mine some tonnes, understand the drill grade to mill grade, and then we'll move on to more serious mining stance. But in addition, we intend to drill to depth to understand the full potential of the mine. We do have high expectations for the Rose of Denmark, and we'll have a lot more to say about it in the coming weeks.
And what about the consideration?
The Rose of Denmark acquisition was an excellent deal as it involved no cash outlay. It was for $225,000 in scrip and $45 million of options that are excisable at 1.5 cents and 2 cents through to 2021. And this really is a fraction of the cost of what the infrastructure at Rose of Denmark originally cost. And, that's a fully refurbished adit that provides immediate access for mechanised mining equipment. That equity sale aligns the interests of both AuStar and Shandong together, since they benefit if AuStar does well. And importantly, Shandong is, for our investors, Shandong is restricted from selling any shares for 12 months. And the options, again, keep Shandong involved with the potential for them to contribute further in the future. Now, you might say, why did Shandong sell out from Rose of Denmark if it's such a great deal for AuStar? But it's just another classic case of large companies having a different corporate profile, different corporate strategic priorities. And in this case, Min 5299 is just simply under their radar. And by swapping their interest into AuStar shares, Shandong not only placed their trust and confidence into AuStar as an operator, but also to deliver value for them as they have now a broader exposure in all the entire gold leases, exploration leases, Morningstar and Rose of Denmark. And it's basically a classic case of diversification for Shandong.
And Tom, while we have you, can you provide an update on the Morningstar gold mine and processing plant?
We're happy with where we've got to. We've now proven the capability of the plant, which was a concern for some people. The plant is our main processing facility for Morningstar and Rose of Denmark mine, so it was quite important to ascertain that and achieve that. We have a confidence that the plant can process gold-bearing material mixed with hard diorite, and the confidence is built on a measured tails grade that is something in the order of 0.5 to 0.7 of a gram, regardless of the head grade. Importantly, we have a high level of confidence in the plant sampling points that allows us to review the grade through the plant and at a number of different points. And that allows us to have full control of the plant and allows us to adjust as we gain the information. The other update on the Morningstar gold mine, of course, was our maiden gold pour, the first since 2012. And for us, that's a very significant and symbolic event for AuStar Gold. And there are not many gold explorers that ever get to pour gold and in such a short period of time. The stat pool development is completed for this phase of the program, and we're processing the last of that ore now, and pretty soon we'll be providing a wash-up of that activity. And we also have, at the Morningstar Gold Mine, a number of other additional targets that are being considered and we'll, when resources present themselves, continue to drill those.
Last question, Tom. What can investors look out for in terms of news flow over the next couple of months?
Further drilling results at Rosa Denmark, Rachel. We'll also progress to trial mining at Rosa Denmark, and we'll announce that when we're ready. The Stackpool mining and processing results, which we just talked about, and further information about our exploration and drilling activities around our exciting prospects that really haven't been examined in the past in great detail.
Tom de Vries, thanks for the update and well done on the acquisition.
Thanks, Rachel, and we'll speak again, I'm sure. Thank you.